Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, Gunnar Pro. Today we got the concrete getting pumped into our foundation. These are our forms for our foundation, and can't wait till it gets done because then we can get going on building the second story. So what we have here, see all those J bolts, all those blue things? Those are basically to hold all our J bolts in, all our hold downs, all our HD U8s, 6s, whatever the plans call out for. Make sure you pay attention to that. But this is what a typical, concrete forms look like when you're gonna have, the foundation done on home. So right here, see that right there? That's where we have our sewage connection right there. So in case there's a blowout on the concrete below that form, we have our drainage protected, and we don't have to dig it out from concrete. We just have to remove that dirt. So you can see inside here we have everything laid out per the plans. And you can see all our hold downs, you can see the way everything is, and you can see the crew here, they're getting everything pumped in. And then we went ahead and went with some 3,500 PSI. The plans called out for 2,500 PSI concrete, but we went for 3,500 PSI concrete. And the benefits of going with 3,500 PSI is that it's not only stronger, it dries a little quicker, you can remove the forms quicker, and then you have a quicker curing time. It's a little bit, a little pricier for the 3,500 PSI concrete versus the 2,500, but it's well worth it. So you can see we went through a lot of concrete on this project right here, and that's because we're going up with a second story, and we need a lot of concrete. Plans call out for underpads and really thick foundation, so there it is. You can see all our J bolts after everything's poured. That's after the forms are removed. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and start laying down our sill plate. There it is, bam. If you see all those washers, those are all galvanized. All our hold downs are galvanized. If not, you can use stainless steel because that's moisture treated lumber you're going against. You want to make sure you use stainless steel, galvanized, metal. We got 1/4-inch plate washers, 3-inch by 3-inch. Whatever your plans call out for, make sure you pay attention to that. And then I got my joists doubled up, tripled up, where all my bearing walls are going to be. Alright, so pay attention to your plans and you'll be good. So here we go, we got the subfloor framed in. We got everything ready to rock. We're about to start throwing in some insulation and then get some 3/4-inch tongue and groove plywood installed. There's going to be a couple quick little pictures of that at the end, just going through that. But I just wanted to catch up on this job. This is one of the projects we've been working on. You can see all our subterranean plumbing down there. That's all our underground, all our subfloor plumbing. For all our kitchen and everything right there. You can see I have all my perimeter blocking right there to receive my subfloor plywood, doubled up joist where I have my shear wall. There's a HDU5 hold down right there. It's going to be a huge post right there going with 3 LVL beams transferred over to another bearing post over here. It's going to be right above where all those floor joists are sistered together right there. Boom, there it is. That's how it looks, everybody. After we get all our insulation finished off, we'll go and rock and roll on our plywood. One more quick thing before we throw in the insulation, we run some tie wire every 12 inches, and that keeps the insulation from falling down to the crawl space below, right? It keeps it stationary. You can staple it, whatever, but running that tie wire really makes sure that the insulation will not fall down. Alright, so like I say, as soon as we get this insulation finished off, we're going to rock and roll on 3/4-inch subfloor plywood. Alright, and we just wanted to say we appreciate you all your new subscribers and all your existing subscribers. Thank you all for your support. Please give us a thumbs up and a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Gunnar Pro out. Peace.